Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can assign tag to our commits. As you know that when we are creating commits, we have commit ID or commit hash. And to manage these commits, we are always using this commit hash. But if you can provide descriptive name for your commit, it is really very easy for you to identify the commits. Let's say that you can assign version of your application to that particular commit. So here in this video, we are going to talk about how we can assign tag to our Git commits. Here I have my Git repo ready and I have 4 commits as well. So if I'm going to give the command git log, here I will get this. Now I want to assign a Git tag to that particular commit. Let's say that I want to assign this tag to the particular commit, like commit 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to copy this. Okay. Here I'm having the command git tag. Okay. Then I have to provide tag. Let's say that version 1. And then I have to provide commit ID. Okay. Then I just added this. So if I'm going to give the command git log right now, here I will get this v1. Now, if I want to revert or if I want to use git checkout or anything, I can use this tag as well. Let's say that if I want to check out, I can use the command git checkout version 1. Okay, it works. Even if I were to use v tab, okay, it will take this tag automatically. So it works. So now when I'm having my tag, okay, it is very user friendly option we have. And other thing is we can also use this for our normal GitHub operations. Now another point that we need to talk about, let's say that if I'm going to push this repo or all the commits with remote repository in the GitHub, okay, it is not going to push these tags, right? So let's verify this. Let me go to the remote repo. Here I am in the GitHub. I'm going to click on create repository. Here I'm going to give name. Let's say that tag, because we are learning this tag. Okay, here I'm going to click on create repo. Now I have to add this. Okay, so this is a command that I can use to add. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste over here and paste. Okay, now if I'm going to push my git repo over here, okay, what is happening? Let's verify that if we are getting tag or not. Okay, so I'm going to say git push, okay, origin, and I'm going to say master because we have master branch. Okay, then going to the GitHub over here, you will see these 4 commits we have. Okay, so here we have 4 commits, but you are not going to get this tag over here. Okay, now if you want to push your tags with the commit, okay, you can also do this. How? You just need to use.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our Git GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.